Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to insert a picture as a background in your Excel worksheet. This can be a great way to personalize your spreadsheet or create a more visually engaging document. To get started, open your Excel workbook and click on Page Layout in the ribbon. This is where we'll find the options to manage the background of our worksheet. In the Page Setup group within the Page Layout tab, click on Background. This will open a menu with several options for setting the background image. You have 3 ways to select a picture: from a file on your computer, from a Bing image search, or from your OneDrive. Choose the source that best fits your needs. If you're selecting a picture from your computer, click Browse next to From a File. This will open a window where you can navigate to the location of the image you want to use. Browse through your files and select the picture you'd like to use as the background. Once you've chosen the image, you'll notice that the Open button changes to Insert. Click Insert to select and insert your picture. After inserting the picture, you should see it displayed as the background of your worksheet. Make sure it appears correctly and that it doesn't interfere with the readability of your data. Remember, you can also insert a picture from Bing image search or OneDrive. Just ensure that you have a stable internet connection if you choose to use these sources. If you ever need to remove the background picture, it's easy. Simply go back to the Page Layout tab, click on Delete Background, and the background image will be removed from your worksheet. That's it. You've now learned how to insert a picture as a background in Excel and how to remove it if needed. This technique can add a creative touch to your spreadsheets and enhance their visual appeal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try adding background pictures to your own Excel workbooks. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.